How to backup Viber messages including photos and videos you receive or send. Stick to the end of this video and I will share with you an app that makes you money completely passively. Open Viber, then click more at the bottom right of the screen, settings, account, Viber backup. Choose Google account for backup, click OK. Set up auto backup, I recommend daily, and click backup. Now when you want to use your backup, simply click on restore. When you want to use Viber on your device, after entering your phone number, it should ask you to restore your messages using your last backup. If it didn't ask you, you can go to the same settings, connect your Google account and hit restore. This is it with today's topic. If you want to learn about helpful unpopular mobile apps or special options of popular apps in less than 2 minutes, then hit the subscribe button. I will give you 3 seconds to do that and then I will show you the app I mentioned at the beginning of this video. If you want to get some cash completely effortlessly, tap on the link at the top of this video.